If you want to delete the iOS 26.4 update file from your iPhone, maybe because it's stuck, taking too much space, or you just want to re-download it fresh, this video is going to help you step by step. On my hand, this is an iPhone, and I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the update file without using a computer. First, go ahead and open Settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on General. Under General, look for iPhone Storage and tap on it. Give it a few seconds to load all your apps and data. Now what you're going to want to do is scroll down and look for iOS 26.4 in the list. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Now you will see the option called Delete Update. Tap on Delete Update, and then confirm it again by tapping Delete Update. That's it. The update file is now completely removed from your iPhone. Now you might be wondering, what happens next? Well, don't worry. You can always re-download the update anytime. Just go back to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and download it again. You don't need a computer or Mac for this. You can download it over the air just like before. Let me repeat that quickly so you don't miss it. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Find iOS 26.4, tap on it, and select Delete Update. Confirm it, and you're done. If this video helped you, make sure to like and drop a comment below if you have any questions.